What's up guys, happy Sunday. I'm working on the Jetta. I had a little bit of a scare. I found an oil puddle underneath the Jetta. Thought I didn't do the repair right, but I forgot it's just residual that fell when I did the repair. I should have known that, but it doesn't hurt to double check, so I make sure everything was tight. Everything looks good on it. Just a tiny scare, freaked out. There was a little puddle underneath, and you know how it is. Let me put this thing back together and back on the ground. I need to get some better lighting down here. I got an idea. That's better. While I was down here, I was double checking the LED lighting. It still works perfectly all the way around the car. One Up lighting, that's where I ordered it from. A little pricier than other kits, but it works and it lasts long. Pretty much weatherproof. There's the puddle I was talking about. It freaked me out a bit. I just gotta clean that up. But yeah, that's when I was pulling stuff down and just leaked down, so I thought that was recent. Jack stand. Brought my toolbox from my mom's house. I've had this toolbox for, I think since 2005 is what it says. Found some old receipts in there. And yeah, I got a toolbox now. It's a small box, but it'll do for now. So that's pretty much been the highlight of my day. Making sure this thing is ready to go. I actually gotta switch it. I gotta daily this thing now. I was looking at the BMW today. Gave it a wash. And that orange looks great again. But I'm gonna have to stop driving this thing for a while until I get some new tires. Yeah, the tread on these is just gone. And that's fair. I've had these tires for a long time. But yeah, it's clean. This is gonna go in the garage. This one is coming out, and that one's going back in. So until this thing gets new tires on the front, the rears are new, or newer. But until we get some new tires in the front, I'm gonna hold this down for a bit. But I did want to kind of change it up. I think the carbon is gonna go. I got my old trunk and I kind of miss it. This one definitely needs to be taken to a shop to be fixed. See how the clear coat's peeling off. This is gonna go and get repaired. And since there's no carbon, there's this diffuser. It's probably gonna go too. So I'm gonna take the diffuser off, and we're actually gonna take the diffuser off completely. I actually like the way the car looks without the diffuser. Since I do have the aftermarket exhaust, it looks good when it's just sticking out. It looks real tough sticking out with all the chrome and the polish. So let's show off the exhaust. Since it's there, let's remove the diffuser, and we're gonna try to clean it up the way it looks like it's supposed to be. So pretty much give the rear a whole new look. This thing looks crazy right now. I haven't driven this thing in like weeks, so I can't wait to take it tomorrow. All right, so we got a little bit of light. I'm just gonna pop off the diffuser and see how it looks. Okay, I know. It looks pretty bad. Just just kind of see my vision on this. We do have a white line. I got some leftover wrap. I can try to color match this orange or black. I think black would look better. What do you think? On this side, we have this plastic piece, which I'm gonna see what it connects to. But then you have this piece too, that's gonna be sticking on. Unless this comes off as well, let me check. We got a couple of plastic pieces that'll be removed. Not so bad, but yeah, we'll take these off. We have another white paint here area, which I think I'm just gonna flat black that. And we'll do that black. But that's what I'm trying to go for, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. I know it sounds stupid. It's just to give that exhaust a better look. My boys right there. Yes. Yeah, we just want that to kind of pop out. Let me see if I can get a... Yeah. So just kind of imagine we're gonna black that line out and then remove all this plastic stuff and just have the exhaust kind of hanging out there. So we're gonna hold on to this guy. I'm gonna put this thing somewhere safe. So until the trunk gets re-cleared or I install the old trunk and have it wrapped to match, but I will clean this area up, and I promise the finished product is gonna look good. I have a feeling it should look good. I think it'll look good. I just want to make sure I'm not taking too much off where it's gonna mess up the structural integrity of the rear bumper, you know, where it starts to rattle and stuff. Because this rear bumper, I need a new rear bumper anyway. This rear bumper wasn't an accident and I just never replaced it, but I got it wrapped, so it looks okay. But I think once we clean that area up, it'll look good. Man, oh man. This is gonna be fun. These wheels still look good after so many years. Jet is ready to go, all cleaned up. The BMW is now going to be in the garage where we're going to have, this one is due for an oil change as well, and new tires, and hopefully a new rear bumper look that'll kind of look good. I don't know, it's different, and that's what I want to do. It's just a little bit different. Have some fun with it, you know, since it's here, and I'll be able to mess around with it a little bit more. But we're not going to be cutting into anything. We're not going to be ripping stuff off. We're just gonna move some stuff around, and when I get the trunk back fixed, then I can kind of slap the diffuser back on and everything will be great. Hope you enjoyed this video. More videos to come, obviously. Bear with me, just the editing process just takes a little bit of extra time. But if you don't see this one today, you will definitely see it tomorrow. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Peace!